most of the apps that your student will need on their one-to-one MISD iPad will already be downloaded to their device. You may see things such as the Google apps or Class app for Seesaw. If there's an app that your teacher has asked your student to use that is not showing up on your iPad, you can find Self-Service. It's a 4 square colored app. When you select Self-Service, you'll see a variety of apps here. You may see install or reinstall, possibly update. The apps on this iPad should automatically update. However, sometimes things don't sync correctly, and if an app is being glitchy, you can come to Self-Service and tell it to reinstall that app. This sometimes will update or fix some of the glitches. If the app is not showing up on the device at all, you can come here, check and see, and then simply tell it to install that app onto the background of the device. When you hit the home screen, you should be able to see that app will install in the next available spot on your iPad. Once it finishes downloading, you can then select the app and begin using it. Self-service may take a minute. It may disappear from self-service once you're downloading it. Notice that several of these, here we go, it is loading onto their background, and the student, once it's finished, will be able to utilize that app. Again, if it's not showing up on the background, check self-service. If an app is being glitchy or having some issues, come here and see if a reinstall is available, and you can reinstall that app, and hopefully it will correct any of those issues.